Thomas, that's all the seed we've got. Oh, here comes a cockatoo.
Dun 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 dun.
Oh. Well, get up closer to it, Thomas. It's looking at you going, well, give me some.
Gimme, gimme, gimme.
Hey, Thomas, James, your birdhouse.
Oh, it's been dumped on.
Hey!
It's been christened.
It's about time. Ow! Ow!
What?
My finger! Look! It's even the marks!
Oh, you know, that's nothing.
Wow, thanks, Dad.
Motley's still having her feed. Oh.
I'm on
There you go, Blake.
Here you come.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Ah,
That kind of. Oh, what was that?
That was a... Motley!
Motley's on the table.
Motley is on the table. There's Motley.
What was that?
That's Motley.
Motley just had a go. Oh!
Woo! Go Motley!
Where's the tin?
That's a what?
So we can put some more on there.
There isn't that much there.
Yeah. You go and eat with me and your mates. Motley! Not yours. It's like personal air conditioning.
James, look above you.
Whoa!
Thomas. Dad's head.
Yeah, I can put it out.
Thomas, on Dad's head.
My head.
I was just going to get one on my own. You got two checking you out. That's getting worried. I would be. Bum 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 bum. Oh, that sounds very good. The chicken you're at, Dad.
Thomas. Your fingers in the lap.
Oh, well done, Dad. Do you feel happy now? They're fighting over you, Dad.
Get those ones. Get them all here. Look at this.
Hello. I know. Come on, Dad. Suck it up. Hello. Don't secure the camera. Wow, Dad, you got quite a... Oh, I think one of them just pooed. Thomas, hold the camera. Thomas. Just get a good, Oh, it's coming up. Thomas, hold the camera. Thomas.
No, I'm going to have a look at the one talking.
Smile,
Mum,
Daddy.
Can you get...
Daddy, smile.
Hold it still.
Oh my goodness.
No, you want someone to do that?
Do which?
The camera.
Yeah, my hand's in this one.
Now that's hurting on my skin.
Yeah, it's just not funny for Dad.
They're standing on my chest, digging in with their toes. I tell you, it's painful.
One of them just went over my head.
Ah, be quiet. That's a baby one, that's why. If you have a look at its beak, and his feathers are really, really clean.
And he's probably asking for a feed. And look at the eyes, Mum. It's just black. It's
Yeah.
just a black eye.
See how clean and short his feathers are?